everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Claire. I've got an award-winning organic and natural beauty subscription box to share with you, and this is Lula. This is how it arrives in the post. I've just taken my address label off there. So as always, if you're new to Lula, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in their July box, then I'll have a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Lula is a monthly subscription box. It costs £14.95 a month, and they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a discounted cost. Now this box also ships internationally, but for 3 and 12 month subscriptions, and shipping is calculated at checkout, and I believe it is quite low. I'll pop all details and everything related to the shipping costs and this subscription box down below. So underneath this video, see show more. If you click that, that will bring up my description and everything would be down there. Inside every box you'll receive 4 full-size beauty treats, and they are cruelty-free, vegan and all natural. Lula have a massive online store and they work with over 200 brands. Now this is a subscription I've been subscribed to for I think it's about 6-7 months now, and I really like it. I like the fact that all the products are full size. They tend to be products I haven't tried before or brands I haven't tried before, which I really like. So when you subscribe to a box, you will receive the following month's box. So if you were to subscribe this month in July, your first box will be August box, and boxes are usually shipped out around the 10th of the month. You can send these boxes as gifts, plus you're able to see online previous boxes as well. So I think that's it. So let's get on to showing you what I received this month. Inside every box we get a little card here, and it tells you everything about the products and it tells you the value. It says the total value of your July beauty box is over £46. There, just give you a quick sneak peek. So the first item in the box is a 250ml natural Castile soap with tea tree essential oil, and this is by the Castilian soap company. I haven't seen this before. So it's a natural soap. So how do I use it? Our natural Castile soap with tea tree essential oil is a true liquid soap made from an organic Castile soap base with natural vegetable oils of the finest quality. Enriched with tea tree oil, a known natural antiseptic, this soap is particularly suitable for skin conditions such as acne and psoriasis. It smells a bit like, what's it? It smells a bit like garages. Was it petrol or oil? It's the tea tree, it is. But it's just the first thing that comes to my mind. Yeah, it smells of antiseptic. It does smell of antiseptic. Not so much petrol. What can I tell you about it? No extra information on the leaflet here. So I would use this mainly as a hand wash, I think. But I suppose if you do have acne on your face, then this would be quite a nice face wash to use. So that's the first item in the box. Next we've got a product by Urban Vida, and this is Sandalwood and Botanic Soothing Clarifying Night Cream, and it's for normal to sensitive skins, and we got 50ml here. Gorgeous packaging, really pretty packaging. Naturally formulated using Ayurvedic principles to hydrate and repair overnight. Sandalwood, clary sage and palmarosa fight fine lines, dehydration and elemental damage to help heal dry, rough and inflamed skin. There you go. I'll just put a tiny bit on my hand. I can smell the sandalwood. It's lovely. It feels quite a lightweight cream, so that's absorbing into my skin really nicely. But yeah, it seems really nice. I'm not sure whether that would be a cream for me though. I tend to go for night creams that are a little bit thicker and more for anti-aging. It's more suitable to help soothe and hydrate rough and inflamed skins, which is not what I've got. Information on the leaflet is exactly the same as what I read off the back here, but it also says the gentle aroma calms mental fatigue. So it does sound really nice, isn't it? I just think that it's just going to be more suitable for someone else's skin type. So there's that. Next we've got a product by Laid Bare, and this is Butter Me Up Organic Sheer Body Butter, 98% natural, and we got 50ml here. Now we've had a few products from Laid Bare in Lula box, and they're really nice. They are really nice. Liberally apply as often as necessary to skin in need of hydration. For use all over the body, perfect for young or mature to soothe dry, sensitive skins. And it contains vitamin C, rosehip oil and shea butter. That sounds brilliant, doesn't it? Try it on my other hand. It feels so nice. It does feel so nice. The amount of products I test on my hands, I wonder what they'll look like when I'm like 70 or 80 years old or something. Imagine if they just stayed like that. They try everything. They try everything. And the palms. I'm always constantly applying face creams, retinol, everything on the palms of my hands. It just says, this thick and creamy body butter is a sheer delight to use. The intense healing properties of the shea butter with the therapeutic effects of the avocado oil creates a rich moisturising experience to encourage renewed glowing, soft and supple skin. So there's that. So lastly in the box we've got a Balm 100% organic rose floral water hydrosol, and got 30 mils here. This organic product is extremely delicate and should be kept in a cool place out of direct sunlight to ensure it stays in best conditions. Mist over clean skin as part of your facial routine for a gentle toner, or simply use as an all-over freshener, natural perfume or pick-me-up. Perfect for dry or combination skins. The beautiful fragrance of rose is soothing and balancing. It is reputed to help you to love yourself and to dispel anger. Oh no, I'm not keen. Well, I'm not keen. I don't like rose smells. Oh, it just says what I've just read here. All right then, let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. It's nice and fresh though. It is nice and fresh. It smells more like roses in the garden, which is nicer. The initial squirt and I can smell the rosy smell, but I can't now. It just feels so nice. It does feel so nice. I have got a load of these though. Would I really use this? It feels nice and everything, but I'm not too sure if I would use it, so I might just pass it on to someone. So those are all the products, so I'll just grab them. You've got 4 full-size items in a lovelula box, which you get every single month. So we've got a balm, it's a rose floral water hydrosol. We've got an Urban Veda clarifying and soothing night cream. We've got a Castilian soap company natural soap, and we've got a Laid Bare body butter. I think in all honesty, this is the first box that I've had since subscribing that has not blown me away, unfortunately. And I think it's mainly because this cream, although it sounds gorgeous, is more suitable for someone with a different skin type than that of myself. And the rose spray as well. I've got a lot of sprays, and just because I love sprays, there's no point me keeping them all. If this wasn't rose, then I would keep it. I'm just going to pass that on. So for me this month, I've got the body butter and the soap, and I do really like them. The body butter feels gorgeous on my skin, and the soap is something different, isn't it? I'm going to use that as a hand wash. So as always, what are your thoughts? What do you think of this month's box? Are you subscribed to Love Lula? Have you had your items yet? Or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.